welcome back to my channel. This is Alex from Alex's Innovations, and today we're going to do a day in the life of a college student during COVID at Johns Hopkins University. I'm gonna have to think of a better title for that. Today I'm going to take you on my day as a college student during COVID. All my classes are online, but I get to leave to go get meals and go get COVID tests, so I'm not completely in my dorm all by myself. But today was pretty busy for me, and I hope that you enjoy this vlog. I certainly had fun making it. So I woke up today at 8:30 because I wanted to try out the bagel place. They gave me a $2 credit on the app last night and I can't figure out why, but I wanted to use it. But then I forgot when I woke up and I didn't feel like getting out of bed when I remembered, so I chilled until 10, which means I only got about 4.5 hours of sleep. Oopsie. But then I went to my chem lecture, which is 50 minutes and it's virtual, but right now we're learning about quantum mechanics. Alright, let's get ready with me. It's around 11 o'clock. I just finished my chemistry lecture and I woke up like this. We're first gonna brush my hair. I don't have an intensive beauty routine. I do my hair. Sometimes I put on moisturizer if I want to feel luxurious, and then sometimes I do my eyeliner. Okay, so let's do moisturizer now. I still have some eyeliner on from last night because I forgot to take it off. Oopsie. It is this. I got it from CVS. It was like $8. But it's cute and it smells nice. Just putting that all over my face makes my skin feel nice. As an adult woman, I feel like I should have some sort of a skincare routine. And then while that's drying, I'll go in with some eyeliner. And I cannot make straight lines, so I am using this washi tape. I got this washi tape from AliExpress, not sponsored. You can literally use any washi tape or any Scotch tape. Actually, don't use Scotch tape, it might irritate your face, but the washi tape is nice, and I use this so I can get straight lines. I'm gonna line this up with the thing I have from last night. I say last night like I was partying. I wasn't. I was making bracelets until 2 in the morning. NYX Professional Eyeliner. I think I got it at Target, but oh, it might have been CVS. I don't know. It wouldn't have been more than $5. I think it was like $3. I don't pay much for makeup, if you can tell. So it's like a little brush, and then I kind of like close this up. You can see not much to it. Here we go. And then at the end, you rip it off like a band-aid, and you inspect your amazing work, and then realize that you made one eye much fatter than the other eye. So I'm just gonna take more washi tape and wax it. Got it. Okay, let's admire my work. Yeah, it's okay. This one's a little thin. This one's a little more emo girl, but it's okay. We'll make it work. I don't put lipstick on because I'm wearing a mask, but I'll put some Vaseline. This is Vaseline. I use the cocoa shade flavor scent because it smells kind of nice. It doesn't smell like chocolate. And I just take a little bit on my finger and then put it on my lips. Mwah. That's the finished look. As you can see, dashing. And the middle part is giving me cool vibes. I think it like have I transitioned to womanhood when I made my side part a middle part? We don't know. Okay, now we're gonna go and get my COVID test. Also cannot forget my emotional support chain. It makes me feel safe. Oh, I got this from Social Experiment. The people who run it are so sweet. I did a trade with them. I sent them some custom bracelets and earrings, and in return, they sent me some cute chains. So here it is. It's really cute, kind of subtle, but it jingles when I walk. It feels nice, so I like it. Coffee and a bagel after because there's a cafe right near the testing place, And it's pretty good, and I can use my dining dollars. I hope you can hear me. This mask is good, but it's really thick. Oh, I should have brought a hair tie. But it's really pretty outside, so here on Mondays I do this because this is where the testing location is on Mondays. I'm part of a research study, so once a week I go, and in addition to spitting into a tube 3 times a week, which is the normal COVID test, I swab, I think it's called Oracol, if any of you know. You swab the inside of your mouth for a minute with a sponge, and then it sucks up your saliva, and they read it for antibodies. So that's a semester-long research study that I'm participating in. So anyway, that study is only in one testing site. It's right there. It's a little farther away, but it means that I get to go to the cafe, which is right there. So I'm gonna enjoy my bagel and enjoy the scenery. Okay, I'm back. It is about 11:45 and I have a class at 1. It's my programming class. So until then, I think I'm just going to work on some math homework because I finished the math videos yesterday. So I'll probably start on the math homework, and that should keep me focused until 1 p.m. Although at 1 p.m., which is Python, I can ask questions about my coding project. But the project was annoying and I don't like it, so I'm going to do some math. Only 11 attempts later. Okay, it is 12:52, so my next class is in 8 minutes, and out of the over an hour that I spent, I was only able to complete 4 out of these 8 questions. So that's a little unfortunate, but hopefully I'll be able to finish it.
Python library. It's written partially in Python.
Alright, I have another thing at 2, and my class was over at 1:50, and I was hoping to get some help at office hours for my program because I think it's right, but I'm not sure because it was 98% trial and error. But unfortunately, the meeting host is not letting me in. It's 2, and I have not been let in, so it is time for the lab session. I also got a request for a custom order, so I may or may not have spent the last hour designing this pattern. It took me a while because they wanted it to base it off of the emojis, these emojis, and the verification symbol, and this walking guy took me the longest because it is really, really hard to get that into 11 pixels high. Just kidding, they wanted me to change it a bit, so no problem, I changed it and they like this, so they're going to order it, and hopefully I'll get started on this later today. But I have more work to do because this to-do list isn't going to do itself, so I have to do it, hence to do. But look, I have all this time. I'm free from 3 to 7:30, so you know what that means. The dining hall closed at 2 for lunch, and it opens at 5 for dinner, and it's almost 4 o'clock, and I'm kind of hungry because I had a small breakfast and didn't really have lunch. So I had to use one of my remaining 2 ramen packs. Hopefully I'll get more. Then I will hopefully work on homework. I kind of don't want to do homework, but I just don't want to do anything. And I don't mind doing the work because it's kind of fun, but I don't want to just lay in my bed because then I'll feel lazy and gross, and I just got out of a lazy and gross phase yesterday, so I want to try and keep the good streak as long as possible. I have this ramen to hopefully make me feel better, and then I'll watch some Parks and Rec for the 3rd time. It's around 5:30. I cannot focus. I've done as much as I can for now on this project. I'm 85% done, so I'll go to office hours again tomorrow and get more clarification, but going to office hours really did help. My dad said he'd call me about 45 minutes ago, so I've been on standby, but hopefully it's not too much longer. I don't want to switch homework tasks because my brain is mush. So I got the payment for the custom order that I was talking about earlier, so I'm going to start that and await the call from my father.
Oh, I don't know if you can see all the hair coming down his.
I can see him. Oh, hello. Oh.
He wants to find a comfortable spot. Okay.
Oh.
You see?
Yeah. Okay, it is now 7:23, which means that I have Taekwondo in 7 minutes. The plan was to get dinner and then keep it in the fridge and then eat it after karate because I don't want to eat and then do karate right away. But I was talking with my dad and Streaky was there and I miss Streaky a lot, so I talked with him for a while. If we finish before 9 o'clock, because that's when the dining hall closes, then I'll go out and get food from the dining hall. And if not, maybe I'll order Chipotle, because Chipotle I think is open till 11. But it'll be cute to use my meal swipes, because I always end up either sleeping through or being otherwise busy during the mealtime, so oops. But for the next 6 minutes, I will rest. And update, I am very, very tired. It's 8:55. There's no way, practice just finished, there's no way that I'm going to get changed and out the door and to the dining hall by the time it closes, which is at 9 in 5 minutes. Usually I make it to the dining hall at least once a day, but on Taekwondo days that's a little harder. So I guess Chipotle is open till 11, and that's kind of the only place I know that I trust, that I feel comfortable going to at night. There are a lot of people that hang out here that I don't completely trust, and as a young woman I do want to be aware of my surroundings, so I don't like going to places that I've never been before for the first time alone at night. And Chipotle is safe, so I'm going to go to Chipotle probably. It's one of my favorites. I have a Chipotle rewards, so it's cool. I get free rewards pretty often, and I ask my family to send me their receipts whenever they go to Chipotle. So I'll probably order now and then go, so I can like eat a meal. That'll be cool. Bye. Ready to go. Here's the fit. There's the door. Okay, I just got back from Chipotle. It's almost 10 o'clock. I was in there for like 45 minutes, but I got my Chipotle. There were a lot of angry people in there, and my phone was on 5%. Now it's on 4. So hold on just a second. But now I'm going to enjoy it with some Parks and Rec. I'm trying the quesadilla for the first time. I was going to get bubble tea, but then I was really tired because I didn't know that they were gonna make me wait in there for 45 minutes for an order that I placed in advance. So I'll try it. Hopefully I won't go to bed too late, but after I'm done eating dinner, I'll probably go back. I want to check something off of my to-do list because there are things on my to-do list that are half done. Math's gonna take too long, so I think I'm gonna do my chemistry pre-lab because that usually takes like half an hour, and it's really important to spend a long time in that because then the rest of the lab will be much easier. We're doing chemistry lab all online, which is a little depressing, but we get to watch videos and there's no fear of lighting anything on fire, so I guess that's good. This is not sponsored by Chipotle, but Chipotle, if you ever need a small influencer who can be more intimate with her subscribers, you know where to go. I got some chips, and for the first time ever, a quesadilla. Oh, so the inside has 2 covers, and I'll show a cute flyover footage right now. But it comes in 3 compartments. I got to choose my side, and then I got to choose what was inside. This is actually bigger than I thought. It looks kind of small on the app. It looks really good, and I can't wait to dig in. It smells so yummy. just finished my chem pre-lab, and then I figured why not go for the lab quiz, and then I wanted to try and finish my math homework that I started today. I got one more question out of the 8, so I'm 5 out of 8 questions. It's 11:30 right now, and I am so tired. I cannot think straight. My vision is starting to swirl, which is telling me that it's bedtime. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to support my small business, support a college student's dreams, check out my Etsy and my Instagram. Link is in my description of this video. And like, comment, and subscribe on this video because it would help me out a lot as well. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!